Hello everyone, and welcome back to One Stop Snack 650. I'm your host Jake, and today we have something different. We have a on lunch car review. So really excited to do this for the first time, y'all. Today I have for you the Georgia Gold snack wrap from McDonald's. Yeah, so I've been hearing a lot of things about this. I did do the other two snack wraps when they re-released on my channel. So we're going to try the third one, the Georgia Gold snack wrap. So yeah, I got this for $2.99. It came out to $3.27 with tax for the one Georgia Gold snack wrap. So here we have the wrap. Nice size. And let's give it a shot. We got all the toppings in there. Let's actually see if there's Georgia Gold in there. Perfect. You could taste the sauce. It tastes a little similar to Chick-fil-A sauce. Nice sized piece of chicken. I actually like this wrap better than the other ones. One more bite. Well, I thought it was decent. It was pretty good. Better than the other two flavor snack wraps, so I like the Georgia Gold snack wrap. I'm gonna give the Georgia Gold snack wrap from McDonald's, I'm gonna give it an 8.3 out of 10. So a B. 8.3 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching on this new segment. Tune up, subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon.